Omukurambira famu ya Ngoma mu district ya Nakaseke, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ashabira abanyeshengero kutandika kushomesa abantu okubine kweresa omurembe kurisa no kuhinga.
So when I started this school, this bridge was not there. The one you cross on the other side was not there. The one over in Nakaseke was not there, but we have not constructed them. So, as you have seen, the farm is weeded. This is what we started doing when we started to introduce the modern farming in this area. We were going to Koromanya, clearing the land, the farm, which meant you remove the mtete, there's a bad grass called mtete, after another Simbopogan. You remove Ogando, Acacia Oi, then you remove those grasses, you see those are good grasses.
Aruka cyo kurebero cya Fameji, President Najangwe ntezine kwa zine binyansi na mizigo kumarana mnongo mbwire bwo mushana.
Because if you do like they have done there, you clear the bad grass. The stocking ratio is 300 cows per square mile. You do the industrial farming, you grow the grass and you harvest. You can keep up 4,000 freezers there or 6,000 Ankara cows. So the land is now being underutilized. Bareke, where is Bareke? She has run away.
President Aina Masiko ngo abanyeshengero bashomesa abantu mbyanga nikija kurwanisa bworo maka.
People are no longer interested in just history. Yes. So we need this to be, by next year, we should have started the industrial farming, where you grow the grass, you grow some maize. I don't like the realism of Europeans who don't know the difference between humans and cows. When humans defecate, we call it a certain name. We say it is something. But when cows defecate, we call it something else.
Abanyeshengera betabiro mu kurambura oku batugambira enteekateeka zabo bwa nyuma yo kurambura.
Our opponents are not here.
Umukurwa mu retreat na resolution esikozire twahenderera Ngoma aitwa twino kureba ebintu ebyo butungi ebyo bugigana no kusheme ku bantu kore emirimo yitu. Nenda kusima abatebekanisa ba retreat right honorable secretary general na bagenzi be abo kubebonire kandi tushomere shana nawe bahata kwenda kushoma abo kubecyo kubanza twino kurwanisa corruption ombintu byone biturukora
kugira ngo tubase kureba farm yeye turebe kutwakubasa kukwata abantu bitukabiha subsistence farming tukabatwara ukamaso farming konka echo muhenderi izoba nafuna ho mugishana abasa kwanzurira omwebembezi ebizibu by'abantu bakaterere bine muno muno bikwatira n'urukuto rwa muweju nibanda no kujoyinga katera
kwega ebintu binje bikwata ari NRM ideology okurelatinga n'abandi kwongera ku associatinga n'abembezi batahi bitu kandi echo kituyambere munonga habo kuba some of us tubenturuga okwe mu community tube tutari mu bwembezi before
echo kubanza tushomere ahari economic transformation narisi okuhindura Uganda kugira ngo buri muntu wena abase kuza omuntura eyo kugira esento munshaho obwari kurabira omubyakukora echo turebere ngo nico kiza kubasa Uganda egi kikajiha omukintu echo bworo
Amakuru agasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.